Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone iOS 26 without Face ID. For example, if you try to change the passcode, any password on your iPhone iOS 26, and it will ask for your stolen device protection or security delay on your iPhone iOS 26. So how you can toggle this. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to simply go to general, and in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to look for the Face ID and passcode, and you have to make sure that you remember your passcode. And after providing the passcode, you have to look for the stolen device protection. And here, if you want to turn off the stolen device protection, you have to make sure that your Face ID is working properly, or otherwise your stolen device protection will not be turned off, because it always asks for the Face ID as you turn off the stolen device protection. Then if you want to turn off the stolen device protection, you have to provide your Face ID. If it is not working well, your Face ID, then you have to make sure that you repair your Face ID, or you try to change your Face ID, and after that you try with another attempt, so that you can simply turn off the stolen device protection. As your stolen device protection is on, your Face ID will also not be changed. So you have to make sure about that before turning on the Face ID. So you have to make sure that before using the Face ID, you can simply turn off the Face ID if you do not want to use it. So here is options available. If you want to use for iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, contactless payment, and also for another apps, you have to simply turn off the Face ID. So you will not be able to raise Face ID even when your stolen device protection is on. So if you want to turn off the stolen device protection, your Face ID must be working. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.